Professor Stephen Hawking will expand upon his theory of black holes when the acclaimed physicist delivers the 2015 BBC Reith Lecture this autumn. Professor Hawking's Reith Lecture coincides with Radio 4's plans to mark the 100th anniversary of Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity with a series of special programming. Traditionally, the Reith lecturer delivers a series of themed talks. But the BBC said it did not yet know if Prof. Hawking, 73, who pulled out of a planned appearance at Glastonbury due to personal reasons, will deliver more than one address. The acclaimed physicist, diagnosed with motor neuron disease at the age of 21, communicates with a single cheek muscle attached to a speech-generating device. He sometimes finds it hard to breathe and has to use a ventilator. His lecture on black holes will be broadcast on Radio 4 later this year and introduced by Sue Lal. Listeners will have an opportunity to suggest questions ahead of the recording, and the professor will answer a selection of them. Prof. Hawking said, "I'm delighted to be the BBC's Reith lecturer and to be able to convey the thrill of science to millions of listeners around the world through my lecture. I want to encourage people to imagine and explore the possibilities of science, both the known and the as yet unknown." Radio 4 is where serious science finds a wider audience, where intellectual thought, nuance, and complexity are celebrated, where the way scientists work is explored, and where new ideas are harnessed. He added, "My talk is on black holes. Although gravity is by far the weakest of the known forces of nature, it has two crucial advantages over other forces. First, it is long range. The Earth is held in orbit by the Sun, 93 million miles away, and the Sun is held in orbit around the center of the galaxy, about 10,000 light-years away.